Hi everyone, my name is Lian, your professional Chinese teacher. So welcome to our class. Today our topic is housing. This is very important for you if you're living in China or you're going to buy a house or you're doing business related to it. Anyway, let's start the course today. So the first two characters we're going to get familiar with is 住房. 住房. 住 means live or reside, and 房 means room or house. 住房 means housing. 住房, 住房. And then, what's in the house? 房子里都有什么？房子里都有什么？房子 is also an expression for a house. 房子里都有什么？ So first, all about the rooms. 房间, 房 sometimes means room, and 间 means space or room. So 房间 together means room. 类 means species. 类 means species, kind, category. So this is all about rooms. So first, 厨房. 厨房 kitchen. 厨 is related to cook. 浴室卫生间，浴室 or 卫生间 both are bathroom. 浴室，浴室，卫生间，卫生间，卧室 bedroom. 卧 means lying down. So 卧室 is some place that you lie down, that you sleep. 卧室，卧室 both for stone. And then storeroom, 储藏室，储藏室 or 杂物间，杂物间 Then balcony, 阳台 both second tone, 阳台 Yang means sun, and 台 means platform. So 阳台 is a platform that you can enjoy in the sun. 阳台，阳台。And then dining area, 饭厅，饭厅，饭厅 Living room, 客厅，客厅，客 means guest, 厅 means room, but 厅 is much more bigger than 房室，客厅，客厅 and then study room, 书房，书 means book, 书房，书房。And then we have composition of the room. 房间的构成，构成 means composition. 房间 we have learned room. So first we have floor. 地板，地板，地 means ground. 板 means board. So you put some wooden or some other kind of board on the ground, then it's floor. And then wall, 墙壁，墙壁，墙 and 壁 both have a meaning of wall, but you can use 墙 or 墙壁, both okay. But 墙壁 is much more formal. And then door, 门，门 second tone, 门。In English, when you refuse someone, you can say no way. And in Chinese, it is not no way, it's no door. So, what is no, do not have? It's 没, so no door. So no way is 没门, 没门. Then ceiling, 天花板，天花板，天花板。Then window, 窗户，窗户，窗户。Same as 墙壁, you can also use 窗 to describe 窗户, but 窗户 is much more formal. And then doorbell, 门铃，门铃，铃 means bell, 门铃 doorbell. Then appliance, 家电，家 means house. So 电 means electronic. The electronic appliance in your home. So 家电. First we have 电视 television. 电 means electronic, we have learned it. 视 means vision. 电视 means television. What about computer? 电脑. 电脑, we have learned it in the course of measure, I think. 脑 means your head, your brain. So electronic brain, that is computer. And 电视, 电视, then refrigerator. 冰箱, 冰箱, both platform. 冰箱, 冰 means ice, 箱 means box. So the huge box with some ice is refrigerator. 冰箱, then air condition. 空调, 空 means air. Condition means adjust. So 空调, 空调. Then 房子外面都有什么？房子外面都有什么？ What's outside the house? 房子外面，外面 means outside. 都有什么？ First, 小区 apartment complex. I think the best translation of it is micro district, which is borrowed from the Soviet Union, and it's kind of different from apartment because I think you cannot buy the apartment like forever, but for the micro district you can actually like buy it and just directly buy it and pay for the mortgage and stuff like that. And 小区, the 小 literally just means micro, and 区 means district. And the 小区, most of the time, is much more bigger than apartment. And then 大门, 大门, front gate. 大 means big. It is opposite of 小. Big door, so it's 大门. In Chinese, there's no direct translation for gate because we all use 门. So a front gate mostly is the biggest one, so 大门. And then parking lot, 停车场. 停车场, 停 means stop. 车 car. 场 means the ground. 停车场. Then neighbor, 邻居. 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 邻 means near. 居 means living, so some people living around, that is your 邻居. Security guard, 保安, 保安, 保安. Garden, 花园, 花园, 花园. 花 means flowers, and 园 means a park. So 花园 is a garden. And then playground, 儿童游乐场. Or 游乐场, both okay, because 儿童 means like children. Because most of the time in micro district, the playground is for and only for child. So first, 儿童游乐场. 儿童游乐场. 游 and 乐 both have a meaning of play. So 儿童游乐场. We have learned in 停车场 that 场 means ground. 儿童游乐场 is a ground for children to play around. So, and then 健身器材. 健身器材, fitness equipment. 健身 means work out. 器材 means equipment. 器 and 材 both have the meaning of equipment. Okay, so you combine it together. 器材 is a new word. Also have the meaning of equipment. 健身器材. And then building, 楼, 楼, second tone, 楼, 楼梯, stairway, stairway, 楼梯, 楼梯. T have a meaning of stair, stairs. 梯子 is stairs, and 楼梯, stairway. And then elevator, 电梯, we have learned 电, what is the meaning of it? Electric. So 电梯, elevator, 电梯. And then 楼道, 楼道, 道 is road. So 楼道 means corridor. 楼道. So this is a course day. We have a lot of new expression and new characters today. I hope you guys can do some reviews. And if you're interested in our course, don't forget to subscribe our channel, go through our website, and if you have any suggestions, just comment below. And don't forget to check the homework. Bye!